Okay, I quickly wanted to record this video to give an expectation for what we're looking at for this AMD trade. I'm going to work from higher to lower. I tried to send this over iMessage, but the video was too long. So I'm going to be talking quick, just going over what I'm looking at on AMD. So here we're looking at the hourly on AMD. So we're kind of a smaller time frame here. Here's the range that we're looking at. I'm looking for, we entered in this green candle because, well, not this green candle, this green candle, because we saw the flush below 96. Long lower wick. We actually saw a close below this previous low right here, which was kind of looks like the capitulating candle where it's that inverted hammer candle on extreme volume. And then that kind of had that snapback reaction all the way to 103 from 96. So price closed below this level, which is big, long lower wick. Buyers rode the push right back into it. You have two sell candles and then a bullish engulfing showing that this 96 has again flipped to support. So that's why we entered this candle. And then we're looking for retests at the top of the range here. I'm looking for indecision candles. I want to see buyers and sellers making small spread candles until eventually seeing a bullish engulfing. Or I would like to see some kind of um, push up. I'd like to see some kind of retest, some indecision candles retesting the top of this range before a move to the upside. So um, if we end up seeing that scenario, if we see that end up seeing um, that actual break of 103, I think I'd switch over to the daily. With this entire move from I don't know 174 down to all the way down here at 94, the VPOC of this move down, where buyers and sellers transacted the most, where there was the most balance in the market, was right around 115. Right around 115 is where our VPOC is, was where the most volume occurred, right kind of through here. So we're going to be targeting this level um, as our as our um, as our profit target if this is in the scenario that price does break above 103 here. So if price breaks above 103, we're going to be looking for a move to 115. I think that makes a lot of sense, especially looking at the weekly. Whenever we get extended price closures either above or below the EMAs. So see how we have air between these EMAs as we go through here, especially throughout here. You're seeing it. This is very extended to the downside. You're getting these closures. I mean, this closure is like, it's like 20% below just the 20-day moving average, or like this is the 20 weekly moving average anyway. But we have extend very numerous extensions to the downside. Usually when you get, or even extensions to the upside, whenever you get three, you're usually very late trend. So I think price is ready to snap back on AMD. I think what helps with this theory is the VIX. The VIX has been absolutely rolling. I think they've been manipulating the VIX to an extent, really just to force the fear in the market and um, yeah, and just to keep pushing, prices lower as they fade lower. But the VIX spent very little time above 27. It rejected the absolute shit out of it. Um, values created by price. Price is that discovery tool plus time. So time, whenever price spends more time within a range, it's more acceptance, and then volume equals your value. So price, obviously, it's the VIX. I know I'm talking about the VIX here, but same concepts apply. I mean, the VIX was only able to spend 2 days above 27, and then it broke down into like this bearish cycle. Kind of like how I was in a or we were in TEM earlier. How TEM ran up each time it leaves these value areas. These value areas being, like, I guess, consolidation. But each time it spends in these value areas, and then it makes new value areas using price. So price is that discovery tool, and then the shorter price is able to maintain in a range. So even here on tem, we made this new value area right here, and it lost it within, I don't know, 2 days. It lost it within 2 days. So it clearly showed that there are sellers active in this area, and that it left this area very quickly. So it looks a lot like the VIX right now, in my opinion. I think the VIX is going to do kind of the same thing. So I think the VIX is going to be rolling to the downside here, which should alleviate for stocks. And I think even with XLK, I mean, we are just ridiculously extended the downside. Never came back and retested this uptrend. So that's why I do like AMD. AMD, I think we are targeting a move to 115 here. I'm in the 115 calls April 17th. I got in for about $1.10. A move to 115 would be about 400% or so. So I think that'd be awesome. 103 is gonna be the big level that we're gonna be looking for here on AMD that we need AMD to break. So, that is the plan for the AMD. Just kinda wanna make this video to set expectations, what I'm looking for, and yeah.